Have you ever felt like you're running on a treadmill? You work hard, you pay your bills, you save a little, but you never seem to get ahead. You're comfortable, but you're also stuck. That feeling, my friends, is what I call the middle-class trap. Now, let's be clear. Being middle class isn't a bad thing. It provides stability, a roof over your head, and food on the table. We should be grateful for that. But the trap isn't the comfort itself. It's the mindset that comes with it. The idea that this is as good as it gets, that your only option is to work for 40 years, pay off a mortgage, and hopefully have enough left to retire. This path is sold to us as the safe option, but in today's world, it's riskier than ever. Job security is a myth, and inflation is eating away at our savings every single day. So, how do we escape this trap? It's not about winning the lottery or quitting your job tomorrow. It's about changing your financial strategy from defense to offense. The first step is to shift your mindset from simply earning to save to earning to invest. Your day job pays the bills, and that's great. But your real wealth will be built by what you do with the money you make. You need to make your money work for you, not the other way around. This means you have to start thinking like an owner, not just an employee. Instead of just consuming products from big companies, think about owning a piece of them through stocks. Instead of just paying rent or a mortgage, think about owning properties that generate rental income. This is the fundamental difference between the middle class and the wealthy. The wealthy own assets that produce income. The middle class owns liabilities that consume income. So where do you begin? Start with education. You don't need a fancy finance degree. Read books like The Richest Man in Babylon or The Simple Path to Wealth. Watch videos from trusted financial creators. The goal is to build your financial literacy, understand what assets are, what liabilities are, and the power of compound interest. This knowledge is the key that unlocks the cage. Next, you need a plan. Create a budget, not to restrict yourself, but to free yourself. A budget tells your money where to go instead of you wondering where it went. Identify where you can cut back on non-essential spending. Is it the daily $5 coffee? The subscriptions you don't use? Every dollar you free up is a soldier you can send into battle to fight for your financial freedom. Once you have some capital, no matter how small, it's time to invest. Don't be scared by the word investing. You can start with low-cost index funds or ETFs. These are simple ways to own a small piece of hundreds of great companies without having to pick individual stocks. The key is consistency. To automate your investments, even if it's just $50 a month. Over time, thanks to the magic of compounding, that small, consistent effort will grow into a mountain. But don't just stop at stocks. Look for other opportunities. Can you start a small side hustle that aligns with your passions? This could be anything from freelance writing, graphic design, or even selling handmade goods online. This extra income stream isn't for buying more stuff. It's fuel for your investment engine. Every extra dollar you earn and invest accelerates your escape. Escaping the middle-class trap is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. There will be ups and downs. But by shifting your mindset, educating yourself, creating a plan, and taking consistent action, you can break free from the treadmill. You can build a life of true financial independence where you work because you want to, not because you have to. So, what's one small step you can take today? Maybe it's downloading a budgeting app. Maybe it's ordering a book about investing. Whatever it is, do it now. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Thanks for watching. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on building real wealth. Let me know in the comments what your first step will be. See you in the next one.